Hi guys, welcome to our class today. Don't forget, today is a RemTop tutorial. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In our last lesson, we discussed the difference between equation and expression. Don't forget I told you that before you can have an equation, you must have the left hand side as well as the right hand side joined by equal sign. So that is when you're going to say you have an equation. And if you have an expression, that one will not have equal sign. It will just be in only one side. So that is in our last class. If you missed that, go to my channel and you watch the clips there. So full explanation is in that one. Today we are going to simple equation. Look at this thing. When we're talking of simple equation, you have just like what I'm having here. Y plus 8 equals 20. So let's look at this little example on the board here. The analysis, I just want to use this analysis to explain how to solve simple equation. Actually, it's a broad one, but today we are going to addition and subtraction aspect of it. In our subsequent class, we're going to multiplication and division. So, how do we solve a simple equation? The formal way of doing it is you must balance the equation at all times. Don't forget to have the right hand side, the left hand side, just like this way balance that we have here. So if this one is here, this one is here. To maintain its balance, this one must equal to this at all times. That is, whatever you do to this one, you must do it to the other side. Do you get that? Whatever you do to the right hand side, you must do it to the left hand side to make it balance. So that is how to solve simple equation in a formal way. Although I'm still going to teach you some shortcut way of going about it, but today I want us to learn the formal way before we move to other way of doing our simple equation. So to maintain the balance on this end here, you have to add the same number on both sides. So if you want to add any number here, you must add that number here. If you don't do that, one side will be heavier than the other. Did you get that? So if you want to add something here, you must add it here. Number two is, if you subtract a number from one side, you must also subtract a number from the other side. Do you get that? You must subtract the same number from both ends so you can maintain your balance. And the third, number three, is multiply both sides by the same number. That is, when you're multiplying this one by 2, you must multiply the other side by 2 so you can maintain your balance. And the last but not the least is divide both sides by same non-zero digit. Don't forget you can't divide by 0, by the same non-zero digit. Do you get that? So that is how to maintain balance when you are solving simple equation. Do you get that one? Now we're going to the example. Please note this little explanation is the key to everything that I want to do here. So I'm going to the example. I'll give you some example now and I'm going to solve it together. Do you get that? Yeah, here is the example I want us to try together before I give you some questions to try on your own. Now imagine we have y minus 24 equals to 98. So the solution will go like this. Don't forget we want to use balance method. We have y minus 24 equals 98. This is minus 24, which means to get the opposite of it, we have to add 24 to both sides. Do you get that? Our mission is to nullify this one, to take it to the left side. So we have to add 24 to both sides. So say add 24 to both sides. So you have to add 24 to both sides. So we're going to have y minus 24 plus 24 equals 98 plus 24. So these two we cancel each other. Then we have y alone here. Let me go to the other side here. We have y equals, then let's add this one together, this plus this. That is what? That is 12. You write to 2, you carry 1 to the other hand. So this is what? 11 plus 1, that is 12. So you have 1 to 1. Do you get that? So let's look at number 2 example here. We have x plus 46 equals 87. Do you see that? You see that? So this is plus 46, which means to get the balance we have to subtract 46 from both sides. Subtract 46 from both sides. So don't forget you have to use like what and opposite. I will explain that when we are doing the shortcut form of it. So we have x plus 46 minus 46 is equals to 87 minus 46. So this one we have, do you realize that? you nullify the 2, that will give you 0. Is equals to, let's subtract this, 6 minus 7, that's 1. 4 minus 8, that is 4. So we have 41. Do you see how simple it is now? You see how simple it is? Don't forget you have to balance the equation at all times. If it is minus, that is, if you have subtraction, you have to add a number to both sides, and if it is plus, you have to subtract a number from both sides. Don't forget that. So I will give you the question that I'm going to try now. Okay, so make sure you do it very well. Yeah, so here is the question I want you to try on your own, and don't forget to comment in the comment box on the topic that you want us to treat, or the topic that is giving you a little bit difficulty, so we can treat it together here. Okay, so see you in the next class, inshallah. See you.